So utilities have a lot on their plates. They have a lot of things that they have to do in order to keep up with the constant demands that they're faced with. Performing regular preventive maintenance agreements will allow utilities to take some of the specific pump maintenance requirements off of their plates, allowing them to focus on other tasks that they need to do and know that they're in good hands and having pumps regularly serviced by the manufacturer itself.
Flygt Services is a very thorough process. We're going to go through that 20-point inspection, checking fluids to rotation, quality of what you're pumping, do you have the right material construction of the pump? It's a very thorough, in-depth process that allows the customer to be at ease.
We cover a broad spectrum of things. We do everything from PMAs to station assessments to installs of new pumps. Getting with the customers and making sure that they're having the foresight to take care of their equipment, have us come out, do things like check and change the oil on them, service the panels, making sure everything is running the way it needs to. Regular maintenance can vastly extend the life, and it keeps the cost down for the customer.
Our service team is very knowledgeable. They have a level of expertise above and beyond what you would expect, and they solve many problems in the field, help the customers, which makes the customer feel important and taken care of.
What we have here at Xylem is we have a ton of expertise, right? So we have this huge network of individuals with tons of experience, tons of expertise. So you're able to lean on that and really dive in and focus on what's going on with the customer at that point in time, understanding that it's not just repairing a pump in a shop. It's repairing a pump that's going to be put into the ground, that's going to keep, a grandmother who's raising her grandchildren from having to deal with a sewage backup. And that's a big responsibility for us to ensure that our equipment is operating at a level in which when they turn the tap on, water's coming out. When they flush the toilet, water's going down. It's a huge responsibility. It's kind of a thankless job, but we're so proud of the ability to be able to make people's lives just a little bit easier each and every day.